starting a new MCP server project, but don't want to waste time on boilerplate configuration. You'll see how a single line with FastMCP creates a basic server instance that's ready for expansion, while the framework automatically handles transport protocols, tool discovery, and client compatibility. We'll use the optional name parameter to identify our server in logs and client applications, with the flexibility to add instructions, versioning, and icons as needed for production use. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. MCP equals FastMCP, my server. This demonstrates the minimal server instance pattern for RPC service creation. The code initializes a FastMCP server container that will host tools, resources, and communication endpoints, handling all protocol compliance and transport management automatically. The distinctive aspect is how it reduces server creation to its essential components while remaining extensible through additional configuration parameters. The pattern works by creating a central instance that manages all server capabilities and client communication. The FastMCP constructor accepts optional parameters like name, instructions, version, and icons that configure how the server appears to clients, while maintaining sensible defaults for all values. This design keeps your code focused on defining capabilities through tools and resources, while the framework handles the underlying RPC infrastructure, including transport protocols, schema generation, and client integration. This approach matters because it eliminates the boilerplate typically required for RPC server development. You can start with just a name parameter and incrementally add configuration as needed, making it equally suitable for quick prototypes and production systems. The server name serves as both an internal identifier and what clients display to users, while optional parameters like version and icons enhance the client experience. The trade-off is framework dependency, but the productivity gain is substantial for any application needing to expose Python functionality to external systems. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. This imports FastMCP, the core class for creating RPC servers that expose Python functions as callable tools. The constructor accepts optional parameters like name, instructions, version, and icons, with name defaulting to FastMCP if omitted. The server name identifies your instance in logs, monitoring tools, and client UIs, while additional metadata, added in v2.14.0, improves client integration. This is the foundation. Production setups typically extend it with more configuration. MCP equals FastMCP, my server. Creates a FastMCP server instance named my server, with the name appearing in client UIs and logs for identification. The constructor accepts optional parameters like instructions, version, website URL, and icons, added in v2.14.0 for production configuration, though only the name is required here. This instance will manage tool registration and RPC handling, with the name defaulting to FastMCP if omitted. FastMCP Server Foundation. The FastMCP class instantiation creates the core container for MCP applications, managing tools, resources, and client communication through a standardized protocol. The server name, optional with a default of FastMCP, becomes visible in client UIs, logs, and monitoring tools, so choose it deliberately for clarity. Constructor parameters like instructions, version, website URL, and icons, added in v2.14.0, extend functionality beyond this basic initialization for production use.
The name you give the server is the first tool your users will ever call.